Okay, this is a tutorial based on a prototype of deformation 1 we could call it. We can call it like a lattice or make a structure out of a geometrical form, no, out of a polygon. Okay, we need it to be in polygons here and here. And what I'm going to do first of all is just create a sphere, and I'm going to go to the attribute editors, and I will basically change in polysphere 1 the number of subdivisions to 10. You know these things very well. And what I'm going to do is right click faces, select all the faces, and I'm going to have edit mesh. I have this unchecked. I want to extrude the faces so they have like this corpus spine type of animal, but I want independent units to go out, so that's why I don't click it now. So once again, do not click here. Select the faces, shift right click, extrude faces. No, we have the blue guy. Remember, somebody said in class that always is the blue, so perfect, go to the blue if you don't know which one it is. You take it out, and now control, I press the arrow first, and now control in the box inwards, and let's see what's going on. It's actually reducing the size, it's fine. And right click object mode, and perfect, click outside, and this is very nice as a heart. You could use it as a heart type of geometry, but I'm going to use it as a 3, pressing the object in 3, and we have our corpus spine, which is whatever organic piece. Some people have similar organic pieces as this one. So what I'm going to do is a deform is super geometrical and super symmetrical as well. So I'm going to use the deformers that we know already, a couple of them. I'm going to go for the bending. I'm gonna go to 4. You see, if this doesn't show up, you have to press this deform show manipulator tool, and you will end up having this line with 3 points. That means that we can move the points differently. Let's press 5 to see what's going on. I'm bending the whole object according to this. You see, it's quite nice. We could even animate this somehow. But anyway, I'm gonna do a little bit, so it's a little bit asymmetrical, and just only like in the top, not in the bottom. Okay, nice. So I'm gonna go to object mode, select the object, and apply another one. I'm gonna use this non-linear sign, so another deformer line comes, and we're gonna be able to deform it slightly in different ways, which is quite interesting. What are the potentials of this, no? In terms of deformation, it could go super crazy or just a little bit, depending on how we like it. A little bit lower, etc. So I think now it's just by using a couple of deformators, you can get this very nice symmetrical organic form. Organic is symmetrical, but you know, it's lost or loose in itself. So what I'm going to do is normally edit delete by type history. So I have this guy because I'm super happy with it. But if you're not happy, don't do it, because it records history. You can always come back, change the deformers with no problem. What I'm going to do is basically go to right-click face, select all the faces, and I'm going to go to remember, and I want to do this one has to be unchecked in this case as well, so they're keep independent, all the faces. And I'm going to select again the faces, shift right-click, extrude faces, and search for the gizmo. Here it is. So I'm going to press 1. And you see what's going on a little bit better. All the faces are being extruded, but they're waiting for us to say how are they going to be extruded. What we're going to do is press the box and control box and inwards. Okay. And we're going to delete the faces that are selected here. Delete. And now what we're going to do is the same operation, similar, but we're going to check this guy. We want to have the faces now together. Okay. And now it's check. We're going to select all the faces again. Perfect. And I'm gonna shift right click, extrude, go to our gizmo, and press the arrow downwards a little bit. There we go. We're probably not given a thickness to this, so it's great. Now I'm gonna shift object mode, and this could be a very nice structure if you wanted like a hard type of thing. We can get inside and get illumination of this. I think it's very nice. But the main idea of this is actually to be more organic. So you can press actually 3, and even it takes a long time because it's quite heavy. And there you have your little bubbles of new architectural type of world we're living now, and I think it's quite nice. I'm sure if you render this in whatever way, it's going to look quite amazing. Another thing, remember the detailing. You just to give it more accuracy or more softness, you select the object, and we go to smooth mesh, down, and add one level from 2 to 3, and you will get this super smooth and very nice to render. Okay, so this is the information. I will encourage everybody to do a test with their organic forms, and hopefully we know already how to render in a very basic way to take advantage of this super complexity of form that we have. Okay, try it.